Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I have 2 boxes from Misfits Market today. In one of these, there are eggs. What are the odds that the eggs arrived in one piece? I don't know, but I really want to find out. Let's get these boxes open and find out what's inside and what condition it's in. This one looks like it has vegetables in it. I don't think we have the eggs in this one. We're gonna start with some white button mushrooms. They look good. Baby Bella mushrooms, and these are a little wet. And you know what? There was no useless piece of cardboard on top. I didn't even notice. Look, so instead of a useless piece of cardboard, this was on top. I have to say, that is a little bit more useful than the useless piece of cardboard, especially when there's no ice pack. Because somebody did leave me a comment about that, saying that to prevent the ice pack from crushing things. Well, in my experience, when there has been an ice pack, that hasn't been the case. Everything's just been crushed anyway. When there's no ice pack, you definitely don't need that, right? And then we've got portobello mushroom caps, and these look good. Hearts of romaine. Some rosemary, and this is kind of a little pathetic. I mean, not the best. Lime. And some celery. This isn't as bad as I've seen celery before. I mean, it's not in one piece, as we had hoped everything would be, but it's better than some of the celery that we've gotten from Misfits before. Some kale. This looks good. Ooh, this fennel looks really nice. Look at that, really beautiful fennel. This is part of the celery. Carrots. Refried beans, and you know what? I forgot I ordered these because I was gonna get refried beans from the store the other day because I'm like, I haven't gotten refried beans in a while. But I guess I forgot that I did order these. Some green beans. These are the haricot vert. It's 1 pound. Oh, that was upside down. Let me show you right side up. What is this? What did I order? You guys know I can never remember. Did I order this? I don't remember ordering this. I'm gonna check that receipt because I don't remember what any of this cost, and I wanna jog my memory. And if you haven't tried Misfits yet, but you wanna give them a try, there's a link in the description down below where you can click through that link. You'll save on your first order, and it will help me with my next order because I'll get a credit off of that too. It's a great way for you not only to get a credit for yourself, but to also support the channel. These are the organic tearless onions, and I've never had these, but I'm super curious because my eyes water all the time, and when I cut onions, it's super bad. And I've actually cut myself because I haven't been able to see while I'm cutting the onions. So I want to see if those actually work. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've tried them and what you think of them. Another lime, so that's 2 limes so far. Oh, there's more limes over here, okay. Scallions, these are, aside from the fact that they're a little broken, they look really healthy. I mean, they're broken, but aside from that, does that even make sense? Do you know what I mean? They're not like wilting or anything, they're just broken. And we've got 3 more limes, these look good. And another lime, so that's 8 limes. And some Meyer Lemons, and there are 5 in here of the Meyer Lemons. This I remember ordering. Colin used a lot of my honey to make stuff that he was barbecuing over the summer, and then when I go to get honey, there isn't any honey. So I got the pure, raw, unfiltered honey, and this is buckwheat honey. And some baby spinach that is not badly dented and also is not open. So bonus there. Now we're gonna go on to box number 2. This should have the eggs. No useless piece of cardboard. That's cool. I love it. And here we have our broccoli, and this is kind of falling apart. It looks like it got a little smashed. There's some broccoli pieces. But it otherwise looks good. It's actually a lot of broccoli too. Very, very nice looking, aside from the smushies. And here we have our cold pack. And there's lots of ice packs in here. These are our eggs. I'm scared. Are you scared? I'm a little scared. So far they look okay. Nothing looks smashed. It's kind of incredible. They're fine. Oh. They are fine. They're good. Nothing wrong with them. I'm kind of shocked. And what's the expiration date? These are good until February 20th. And today is January what? I can never remember what the day is. January 24th. So they're good for about a month. That's pretty good. I thought it might be short coated, but nope. Nope, not at all. And we got another thing of eggs. So let's see if these are also good. Yep, these are fine too. Look at that. Perfect. Wow, I'm impressed. And these are Pete and Jerry's organic eggs. And we've gotten these before. We've usually gotten them at BJ's. But last time Colin went to BJ's, they didn't have any. So we didn't get any eggs. So I was really happy when I saw that Misfits had these. And I was like, don't worry, I got it covered. I'm gonna get them from Misfits. And then we've got some yogurt and some of the buttermilk blue cheese, sour cream. You know, I always want sour cream when I don't have sour cream. I don't know why. Do you do that? Like, you're like, oh, I wish I had some sour cream. Now I have some sour cream, and this is good until February 14th. Oh, how long is this yogurt good for? Oh, this is good until March. That's amazing. And this is good until May. Pretty good. I'll take it. And then we've got some organic sharp cheddar cheese here. This is best by September. That's super cool. And some Gouda. And this is best by July. And some goat cheese. This is good until March 18th. And then I got some Mexican style chorizo sausage. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ice packs. Oh, some more cheese, some feta cheese. And this is good until when? I do not know. So the things that do have an expiration date have a pretty long expiration date. Oh, we've got some more. We've got the Chosen Foods avocado oil because BJ's didn't have the avocado oil spray when Colin went there either. So is there anything else in here? I don't think so. I think we got it all. So let's look at that receipt. So there were 6 limes, and there were 6, and that was $2.19 for 6 organic limes. The Meyer Lemons were a pound for $3.99, and that was 5 lemons. The white button mushrooms for $2.29. That's pretty good, guys, for organic. Kale was $1.99. The tearless onions were 2 pounds for $3.19. The green beans, which are the haricot vert French green beans, those were $3.99 for a pound. I say that is a total steal for organic green beans at this point. The celery was $2.19. The portobello mushroom caps were $2.99. The broccoli was $3.99. The romaine was $3.99. The fennel was $2.49. The mayonnaise, which I did order, this was $3.99, and guys, when you get this like at Whole Foods or something, it's like between $7 and $10. So that's a good deal. The eggs were 2 for $5.98, so they were $3 each for organic eggs. You can't beat that. Honestly, that's amazing. Holy cow, that's amazing. The yogurt was $4.49. The Gouda was $3.99. The goat cheese was $3.79. The feta was $4.99, and that doesn't have an expiration date, so it's a little strange. Blue cheese was $2.49. That's a steal. Sour cream was $2.29, another steal. Organic sharp cheddar cheese was $4.99. The baby Bella mushrooms were $2.49. These prices are amazing. Organic baby spinach was $2.99. The scallions, $1.29. The carrots, $1.19. The chorizo was $4.99. The refried beans were $2.49. The avocado oil spray was $3.49, and that's the cheapest I've ever seen it. The rosemary was $1.99, and the honey, unprocessed raw honey, was $6.99, and that's for 14 ounces. So my subtotal was $98.20. Shipping was $4.50. I did have a credit of $95 though. Thanks to all of you for using that link in the description down below, saving something on your order and helping me out by giving me a credit on my next order. My total was $7.70. That's all I spent on this. But had I not had that credit, it would have been, I can't do math in my head, 102, right? $102.70 would have been the total if I didn't have that credit. Misfits says this is a savings of $43.51. This time, I totally believe them. The prices on this stuff were really good this week. What do you think? Is this worth that? Did I save money? Do you think I saved that much money? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you think somebody else might want to save some money on their groceries and get organic, high quality stuff, share this with them. And just post it to your social media too. I post videos every week, and at least one of them is always an unboxing. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Happy eating. This is Amy. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.